There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in existence, and there are more being created every day. Companies claim to disrupt varying industries, ranging from banking, insurance, and security, all the way to dentistry, sleep, and virtual reality. These projects commonly raise hundreds of millions of dollars during initial coin offerings, and find themselves in the top 20 of the coin market cap without having much more than a white paper. Nearly $4 billion was raised with initial coin offerings in 2017. In the same year, nearly 47% of these failed. With so many tokens available on the market, it is impossible for the average investor to fully research every project. That's why we've created Shitcoin.com, where we buy the tokens, install the software, and test the features. We relay the truth about shitcoins, giving you an in-depth review of the technology and if it actually works as advertised. So before you invest in the next hot coin, make sure it's legitimate and not a certified shitcoin.